What's up guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing whatever you like. My name is Lalit and I create cinematic videos. So lately I've been watching more and more Sam Kolder's videos.
Hey Tim, it's now been 5 years since you left. That's so hard for me to wrap my mind around.
He inspires me a lot. No doubt he's one of the best in the game. So today I'm going to talk about 5 most important handheld cinematic moments used by Sam Kolder in his videos.
Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls, reminding me of how you threw away all that we've gone through. Was it all just a game to you? 'Cause I'm dying to know.
All of the shots in this video were handheld. Only a bit of stabilization was done in the post-production. So basically, if you are a beginner, you don't really need a gimbal. Quick tips before starting with the video. Use a camera strap if you have. Bend your knees, keep the camera near to the body, hold the breath while shooting any of the shots. Shoot at higher frame rates like 60 or 120 FPS so that you can slow down the video in the post-production. Keep your shutter speed double to your frame rate. Like if you're shooting at 60 FPS, your shutter speed should be 120. And the last one is, you can use an effect called warp stabilizer, which is already present in Premiere Pro. The first and the very most important cinematic moment in your camera is revolving around the subject. In this shot, what you have to do is hold the camera near to the body, bend your knees and walk in a circular direction around your subject or object. Now if you have a telephoto lens, you will get a smooth parallax effect. And if you don't, what you can do is zoom in totally to the subject and you can move around, which will also give an amazing effect like this. Now the second one is classic revealing shot. In this shot, what you need is some sort of foreground, whether it be tree, pole, branch, anything which you can keep in foreground, and you have to move your camera something like this to get this kind of effect. Now the third one is following the subject. The name itself suggests that you have to follow the subject, but you can choose different angles like from the back, from the front, from the side, and you can merge them, which will give an amazing cinematic feel to your video. Now the fourth one is lower angle shots. In this shot, you have to keep your camera lower to the ground. Always keep in mind that you have to face your camera upwards, which will give an amazing effect, something like this. Now the fifth and the last one is camera rotation. In this shot, what you basically have to do is hold your camera close to the body, get inside, rotating your camera towards the subject, which will give an amazing effect like this. Now again, start with whatever you have guys. If you don't have camera, you can use your mobile phone. Just use these techniques while shooting and you can create an epic B-roll on your own. So this is it guys. I hope you guys learned something new from the video. Sam Kolder's transitions are totally creative and different. I'm gonna make a detailed video on the transitions used by Sam Kolder and also the transitions I used in this video. So I would suggest you guys to subscribe to the channel because you guys are gonna learn more and more new things from this channel. Thank you so much.